Bonjour à tous et bienvenue. Aujourd'hui, nous allons étudier les nombres de 0 à 1. Today, we are going to learn the numbers from 0 to 20 in French. So, let's get started. So, to start with, les nombres means the numbers and the 0 à 1 means from 0 to 20. So, the first one is 0. 0, which is 0, then 1, not un or un, no, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10. Then 11 is 11, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 1, that is 20. So let's repeat from slide 1 again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 1. So that's it for today. I hope you found this lecture useful and pretty easy now. And if you have any doubt, please leave it down in the comment section. I'll see you in the next lecture. Salut, à bientôt.